University City is growing, and infrastructure is powering that growth. One of the most transformational transportation projects underway in the district is the new I-85 North Bridge in Charlotte's University City area. This major infrastructure investment will create a new connection across Interstate 85, linking University Research Park on the west side of the interstate to UNC Charlotte, North Tryon Street, University City Boulevard, and surrounding residential and commercial areas on the east side. The bridge is designed to improve connectivity, mobility, and traffic flow throughout one of Charlotte's fastest-growing employment and innovation corridors. It will also provide an important alternative route to the W.T. Harris Boulevard and Mallard Creek Church Road interchanges, helping improve accessibility throughout the broader University City area. The project will strengthen connections between employment centers, higher education, transit, greenways, housing, retail, and entertainment destinations. It also supports long-term growth surrounding University Research Park, University Place, and the boardwalk at University City. This nearly $50 million investment represents the type of forward-thinking infrastructure needed to support the future of University City. In addition to the I-85 North Bridge project, University City continues to experience significant public and private investment throughout the municipal service district and surrounding trade area. New development, transportation improvements, infrastructure investments, placemaking initiatives, housing, retail, and economic development projects are continuing to reshape the district and position University City for long-term growth and connectivity. For additional information on projects happening throughout University City, please visit the website links below. To stay updated on what's happening across University City, subscribe to our newsletter and follow ongoing district updates.
University City.